Hey friends, if you encounter modern setup host high CPU usage or memory usage on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, the thing is that there is no specific resolution to it. We will have to try all the resolutions we get in hand. Now, the first one is to restart the computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. The next solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings. Go to the System tab, scroll down, select Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters, and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Okay. The next solution is to disable startup programs. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab, set it by Enabled on the top, and then right click on the ones which are unnecessary and disable them. Okay, just check whichever is unnecessary and disable all of them. The next solution is disk cleanup. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Click on OK and let it run through. The next solution is a clean boot. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. The last solution is a malware scan. So search for MRT in the Windows search bar and open MRT. Okay, wait for it to load. Click on next, select full scan, click on next, and then let it run through. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.